kids! For today's video, we will be discussing about the elements of visual media. This video is intended for grade 6 pupils to help you interpret the meaning suggested in visual media, focusing on visual elements, especially because learners today are exposed to various kinds of visual media, so it is important for you to know and learn this competency. So listen carefully so that you can be able to apply what you have learned later. To start with, what is visual? It is something you look at, such as picture, chart, or piece of film that is used to illustrate something more appealing or easier to understand. What is visual media? These are sources of information in the form of visual representations. These can be abstractions, analogs, rough illustrations, or digital reproductions of the objects. It is what human eye can see. It plays a big role in advertising, art, communication, education, business, and engineering. Visual media is often used as a learning aid. Media can be used in almost any discipline to enhance learning, both in class and also for out-of-class assignments. Short film and television clips, written articles, and blog postings can be viewed to reinforce concepts and spark discussion. What is the purpose of visual media? Number 1. People use visual aids to express their opinions and desires. Human beings have natural tendency to pay attention to visuals like graphics and illustrations. However, it was not until the last few decades that the technological revolution reshaped the visual media landscape. Number 2, visual media helps students retain concepts and ideas. They make concepts more accessible to a person than text media and help with later recall. Elements of visual media. Number 1, line. It is known to be the foundation of all drawing. Line is an element of art defined by a point moving in space. We have types or kinds of lines. First is horizontal line. This creates a calm, peaceful feeling. Next is vertical line. It creates significance, attention. Another is diagonal line. This creates energy. Next is the curved line. This creates energy also. Last is the combination of vertical and horizontal line. This creates perception. We have here examples of images having the combination of different kinds or types of lines. Number 2, symbols. It shows actual objects or they can represent a concept. These are also representations of direct reality, which comes in the form of signs and symbols. Examples: This symbol shows love of one's country. This picture, pagmamano, is a symbol of respect. Next picture is the statue of Lapu-Lapu. This symbolizes the bravery of the Filipinos. Number 3, color. An element of visual media that portrays information quickly, adds emphasis, organizes structure, improves recognition, and conveys emotion. Red color symbolizes love, bravery, anger, blood, and violence. Blue symbolizes peace, trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith, truth, sea, and heaven. White symbolizes purity, innocence, safety, cleanliness, virginity, and goodness. Yellow symbolizes happiness, creativity, sunshine, spring, egoism, and madness. Orange symbolizes enthusiasm, fascination, happiness, creativity, determination, attraction, success, strength, and endurance. Number 4, gaze. The way a character looks with their eyes and face. Gaze is a useful way to convey meaning through an image because we can see where and how a figure is looking at something. We have types of gazes. A, we have direct or demand gaze, a term used when a figure in the image gazes directly out of the page as responder. This establishes a connection between the subject and the viewer. The character in the image gazes at the viewer directly. Example is this picture. Letter B, we have extra-diegetic or non-gaze. The character is looking at something outside of the text. Example is this picture. Letter C, offer, a term used when a figure gazes at another object in the image, encouraging us to look at the object. The viewer is a detached onlooker. Example, let's study the picture. Now that you have learned the elements of visual media, interpret the meaning of this picture. What do you think is the meaning of this picture? If your answer is a child busy writing or a child learning how to write, then you are correct. This ends our presentation for this lesson. I hope this will help you answer the activities in your learning activity sheets. Goodbye for now. See you next video.